Do you want to repost your own post on Instagram? You can reshare your own Instagram post with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To repost your own post on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your profile screen, where you will see all your posts. Browse through your posts and tap on the post you want to repost. You can repost either a picture or a Reels video. Now, at the bottom of the post, tap the repost icon. Now, your selected post will be reposted, and it will appear again on your friends and followers' feeds.